Hey busy people, welcome to the channel and I hope everyone is fit and fine. So if you are new to this video, then I'll just take you a flashback and tell you that we are doing a series on how to stay motivated during quarantine, and this is the part 2 of it. I am linking that video below and also tagging it here so that you can go and watch the part 1 as well. And if you have already watched the part 1, then I'll say thank you so much for sticking around and waiting for this part 2 to come. I am really grateful to you guys. So as we talked about how to stay motivated by being productive in part 1, in this part I will be talking about how you can actually stay positive to feel motivated. Because staying positive during this downtime is not very easy. But still there are ways to pass through this tough phase, and let's just talk about those ways. So in this video, I am sharing some really effective and doable tips which can actually help you feel positive throughout this quarantine time. And as usual, I'm saving the best tip for the last. So watch this video till end, and now let's get started. So the first and very simple thing that you should actually start doing from today to keep yourself positive is by switching off all those negative news. बिकॉज आप जितना ज़्यादा नेगेटिव इनटेक करेंगे आप उतना ही ज़्यादा ग्लूमी और सैड फील करेंगे. एंड वाई डू यू एक्चुअली वांट टू डू दैट? Well, in the current state, the news around us is not very motivating. So with all this negativity around, why do you actually want to add on to things? So जितना हो सके उतना अपनी उन negative news से दूर रहिए. सिर्फ और सिर्फ authentic news का ही या authentic sources का ही believe कीजिए. And definitely not the news graduated from WhatsApp University, because any kind of rumor will only increase the pressure and tension on you. सो अननेसेसरी न्यूज़ को कट ऑफ कीजिए. अपने अराउंड उन पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ को रखिए जो आपको एक्चुअली खुश रहने में हेल्प करती हैं. जब आप अपने चारों तरफ अच्छी बातें सुनेंगे तो आपको बहुत ही अच्छा फील होगा. एंड ऑब्वियसली इफ यू फील गुड यू विल फील मोटिवेटेड. दैट्स एक्चुअली नो ब्रेनर, राइट? Well, the second thing, which again is very much doable, is if you're not feeling good at the moment, then take the help from somebody else who can make you feel good. Call up your friend, call up your family, and just talk about what you're not feeling right about. When you share your feelings and when you talk to somebody near and dear to you, you'll automatically start feeling lightened up. They start sharing some ways or they start sharing some tips with you which can actually help you come out of those negative vibes, and you will instantly start feeling positive. So find that one person around you who can actually pull you up during those negative times and can fill you with lots and lots of positivity. But make sure you always repay the favor, because if you need it, they might also need it at some point in time. So the quarantine has shown so many ways to stay connected. Very recently, I connected with my old college gang via Facebook chat and it was so much fun. वो 15 से 20 मिनट की conversation ने मेरा पूरा दिन इतना brighten up कर दिया था, and I was feeling so happy. So if you have some friends or relatives whom you have not connected since quite some time, then I'll say this is the time. Right now when you have a common topic to talk about, there is no escape by saying कि मैं बहुत introvert हूँ. तो फटाफट अपना फ़ोन पिक कीजिए या वीडियो कॉल कीजिए अपने उन सब फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली को जिनके साथ आपने बहुत लंबे टाइम से बात नहीं की है. बिकॉज आई पर्सनली फील दैट ह्यूमंस बीइंग अ सोशल एनिमल नीड समबडी अराउंड. इफ यू कांट गो एंड विजिट देम, एटलीस्ट गिव देम अ कॉल. Okay, so this one tip I have actually learned from my baby. So I and Ruthvi do a lot of pretend plays, and that's when I learned, if you can't do something, then at least pretend that you are doing, because having that feeling of doing what you want to do actually brightens up your day. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है that if I can't go outside to do certain activities, why can't I just pretend to do it indoors? And that's when the idea hit me. And so far we have had so many movie nights and so many date nights in the house. We have even had dance classes and music classes inside the house, because I feel with internet and a little creativity, everything is possible. So you also try to enact those activities which actually keeps you happy, and that will definitely help you to increase your positivity level. So my last tip for you to stay positive during this quarantine time is by intaking lot of motivational content. First of all, there is no dearth of motivational content on internet. Second of all, there are different ways you can actually take those intake in. And because of these different ways, I literally keep taking intake of these content every now and then. I read motivational articles, I listen to motivational podcasts, और आई इवन वॉच मोटिवेशनल वीडियोज़ ऑन यूट्यूब, बिकॉज आई फील दैट जब मुझे वो मोटिवेशनल वाइब्स मिलती हैं तब मुझे अपने आप पॉजिटिव फील होने लगता है एंड आई स्टार्ट डूइंग थिंग्स इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट सिटिंग बैक एंड सल्किंग. There are literally a lot of motivational speakers who have a dedicated podcast to motivate you. उसके अलावा TED Talk I feel is a very great way to feel yourself motivated. I have kind of just hooked to TED Talk these days. Apart from that, अगर आप किसी मोमेंट पे कुछ सुन नहीं सकते हैं या कुछ वीडियो नहीं देख सकते हैं तो डेफिनेटली गो फॉर सम गुड मोटिवेशनल रीड्स. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप कोई बुक उठा के पढ़ें, आप ऑनलाइन कोई आर्टिकल पढ़ सकते हैं, आप ऑनलाइन कोई ऐसा ब्लॉग पढ़ सकते हैं जो कि आपको कुछ अच्छे आइडियाज़ दे. एंड बिलीव यू मी, दिस वन इज़ रियली वर्किंग वेल विद मी. जिस मोमेंट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे अभी बहुत लो फील हो रहा है एंड आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड, I suddenly switch on to this motivational content because I know it is giving me a great kick and it has actually helped me get going during this quarantine time. And that's about it. With all these tips, I'm really hoping and praying best wishes for you guys during these tough times. There's only one message I want to pass on with this entire series is that everything is in your mind. If you'll think good, you'll feel better and vice versa. So the choice is yours. There are lots and lots of ways you can actually feel happy and be productive during this downtime. It's a very small mind game which you all need to master. You can actually guide your mind how to feel good at a very same moment. So don't stress about it. There are so many ways you can actually feel productive and positive during this downtime. As I said it in my earlier videos, this time will pass. All you have to do is just be a little patient and get yourself going. With that note, I'll say stay productive, stay positive, and stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, thank you for watching.